Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Have you ever been stuck trying to drill a hole or to fasten a screw in a really tight spot and you just couldn't quite get there? Well, this little 12-inch drill bit extension holder from DEWALT takes care of that problem. So this is an extension that you can put on the end of your drill, and it has a little locking mechanism here to lock your drill bits or other accessories into place. And these are the hex bit accessories, so you can use a variety of different accessories in this that are a hex shape and up to 1/4 inch. And once it's locked in place, you are good to go. So it is really sturdy and it keeps everything in place so that you are able to easily complete your project even in very tight quarters where you may not have been able to reach otherwise. So this is a really handy little accessory for your tools, and I've been really happy with it, and that is my point of view.